Good morning to you. Hope you're feeling fantastic, wonderful, and amazing. This is day 2 of the 10-week focus press up, stand up actually, StretchYocalates. Day 2, and we're just going to go over this first week. Is going to be the basis what we started, which is 4 sets of push-ups and 4 standing exercises. And the 4 push-ups we're doing a standard push-up, Spider-Man push-up, Tyson push-up, and the ridiculous push-up. So we're going to get into, we're going to start off with a warm-up. On this second day, I'm going to let you do your own warm-up, and we're starting right in. But I do want to warm up those wrists just a little bit, okay? So we take our wrists and just kind of rotate them first. I'm rotating the right to the right, left to the left, kind of warm them up. Once you do this about 4 or 5 good times, whatever feels good to you, then we reverse. Just kind of warming up the wrist. We'll do some things to strengthen the wrist as well, all right? Make a fist, and if the fists are facing down, up and down type of motion, not side to side, up and down, and just try to do a nice stretch. So your thumbs are up, then bring the thumbs toward you. Away from you, toward you, away from you. 2 more times. Toward you, away from you, toward you. Final time. Away from you, towards you. Put your hands together and just kind of rotate. Just kind of rotate the wrist. This is a stretching and strengthening exercise. So you offer a little bit of resistance. All right. Switch the other side and just work that out just a little bit. This is going to build a little strength now. Take that one hand and push it against the palm of the other. Push it against the palm a little bit. Yeah, that's warming up. Get a little motion there. And go to this side. One more time. Then, of course, we're going to switch hands. Up top. Switch hands. Now the left hand is pushing the right. Or you just switch hands however you start. About 5 times each push. 5 good times. And finally. All right, let's get down to all fours. Do a little wrist warm up on all fours as well. Let me see if I can turn this way. Get my notebook out the way. And you get down on all fours, making sure your wrists are stacked under your elbows, stacked under your shoulders, and your knees are stacked under your hips. And the closer you bring your hands to the body, the more of a resistance you'll get. So if you come in here, you'll get more of a resistance as you lean up. So let's start standard here and make it comfortable for you. So hear me, listen to your body, all right? So let's lean up, back, up, back 2 more times, up, back, last time, up, back. Left and right, just going side to side. Go deep enough where you can feel it a little bit, not enough to hurt yourself, but just feel it a little bit. Side to side, front and back, again, front and back. Now let's get a rotation in. Let's get a nice rotation in. We'll start off going to the left, front, right, back, left, front, right, back, all the way. Left, front, right, back. Last time, left, front, right, back. Reverse, right, front, left, back, all the way around, right, front, left, back. Last time, right, front, left, back. Nice little rotation. This time, we want to turn over the hands, have the fingers facing each other. Just turn over a little bit and get a little stretch. Just go back and forth. Feel that little stretch. Since it's working one way, we have to give a little relief on the other side. So feel that. All right, beautiful. And we're going to start off with our 10 push-ups, 10 standard push-ups. So if you're on your knees, wonderful, fantastic. If 10 is not your number, whatever number you have set, go ahead and reach that goal, all right? So we're going to get into our lowered position. We're going to start off our press up from here, all right? Here we go, 3, 2, 1. 3, 5, 7, 9, one more, 10. You end at the bottom. All right. The next Oh, so then we go from push-ups to our stand-up exercises. So let's take it all the way. Stand. And we start off in the star. I'm trying to center myself here. Start off in the star. Arms out, legs spread. Right here, you should feel a good stretch. If you feel like a string is at the top of your head, so feel that stretch. You're straightening out as you take each inhale and exhale. You're already doing a bit of a stretch in the middle of your body and also stretching out in your arms, okay? Fantastic. We'll get a little bit of a stretch in before we actually do the standing exercise. So get a stretch in, taking that right hand over to the left foot. Just get that good stretch in. Feel that. Come back up. Left foot, left hand to the right foot. Feel that good stretch. Come all the way back up. Both hands in the air. Bend over at the hip and just keep your back flat. Don't go all the way over. Just reach for me right here. Reach for me right here. I'm reaching for you. Extend those hands. Come all the way down. All the way down. You can either reach between your legs, hold your elbows, or grab your ankles to get a little bit more of a stretch. Hold that for 5, 4, keep reaching. 4, 3, 2, keep reaching, feel that stretch. 2, 1, come all the way back up. Get back to the star, get back to the star. Fantastic. We're going to start today. We're going to start going to your right. All right, so I'm turning to my right. And got this lead leg with high lunges first. Get deep in that high lunge. Feel that stretch on the rear leg. Hands in the air. And we hold this for maybe about 10 seconds or 3 good breaths. So you're taking 3 good deep breaths and releasing from here. Last deep breath. Back to the star on your next inhale. Fantastic. We're going to turn on the next inhale. Bend that lead leg. Extend those hands in the air. Fantastic. Hold this for 3 breaths. Back to the middle on your next inhale. Fantastic. All right. Back to the push-ups. Stand up, press up, stand up, press up, stand up. So we're going back and forth. All right, second set of push-ups. We call these the Spider-Man push-ups, all right? This set of press-ups, I'm sorry, it's new, but I'm trying to change in my mind. I'm calling it push-up to press-up, okay? All right, let's get back down on all fours. Let's get back down on all fours. Now with this one, we are going to start at the top because the Spider-Man push-up is extending your leg when you go down, okay? So this one we will start from the top. The standard, we start from the bottom, but this one start from the top, all right? So you may want to spread your legs just a little bit, and the Spider-Man is going down, leg up, okay? We're just going to do 10, and that means 5 on each side. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 4. Halfway there. 8, 9, 10. All right. Let's get back to our standing exercises. So we started off with the lunge. So the next one we're going to go high lunge. The next one we're going to go to is the warrior 1. Back to the star. Back to the star. Going to start off today going to the left. This time going to the left. We started to the right the first time, going to the left. Turn out. This time the rear foot, the lead feet rather the heel should be leading into the instep of the rear foot, okay? So this time you're going to have, it's similar to the high lunge, but your hips are slightly different, okay? So, hands raised in the air one more time. Get that deep 90-degree angle if you can. It's close to 90. It's probably 95. I don't know. All right, hold it for 3 breaths one more time. Feel that good stretch. Ground yourself. One more deep breath in. Turn on your next inhale. Turn to the other side on your next inhale. Remember, angle that rear foot. So the lead foot, the heel, goes into the instep of the rear foot. All right, hold that. 3 breaths. Next inhale, we turn back. Fantastic. Back to the press. This is the Mike Tyson push-up we're going to do. Mike Tyson push-up we're going to do. So let's get back down on all fours. And the Tyson comes, it's a hinge movement in that. So you're going to get into from the all fours. Basically, you raise your knees a little bit, right? That's actually an exercise we're going to be doing very soon, okay? So come up, raise those knees up a little bit, get into that nice position. And with the Tyson, we go out, bam, okay? Let's knock out 10 of those real quick. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. 1. Believe it or not, we're halfway there, ladies and gentlemen. We're halfway there. 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one. Fantastic. All right. The next stand posture we're going to do is the Warrior 2. We've done high lunge, Warrior 1. Now we're at the Warrior 2. Once again, back to the star. We're going to go turn to the right this time. Turn to the right. All right. Turn to the right. Same foot position, very similar position to the last one we had, whereas the lead heel goes into the rear leg instep. But this time, both hands in the air. Hips are turned slightly. Your gaze goes toward the bent leg. And the idea is to try to look over that middle finger. All right? See if we can get your body aligned to look there. And we're going to hold for 3 breaths here. Next, inhale, straighten that leg and turn back to the original. Next inhale, let's go to the other side. Drop that knee, hands up, hold that for 3 breaths. Arms up. Feel that. Hear me, listen to your body. Last inhale, let's straighten up. Beautiful. All right, we got one more set of push-ups to do. The first set of push-ups, our standard push-ups, we did 10. The second set of push-ups, we did Spider-Man push-ups, we did 10 of those. The Tyson push-ups, we did 10 of those. Well, now we're at the ridiculous push-up. We cut it in half, 5 of those. Why? Because the ridiculous push-up is actually 3 push-ups, so it's still going to be essentially 15. So let's knock out the ridiculous push-up, and we go in the ridiculous push-up in the way that it was designed by the designer himself. Thank you. All right, get to the bottom of your mat. Inhale, reaching up through your fingers. Exhale, all the way over for a forward fold, and you walk to an extended plank. Walk all the way out. Feel that extended plank. Get your feet right. Come back to the standard plank, and then get ready to load up the bear. Load it up, and we're going to knock out 5 ridiculous push-ups in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1 more to go. Fantastic. All right. And now for the final standing exercise. You can get into the star position, and it's very similar to the star, but bend those elbows, bend those knees a little bit. And this pose is called the goddess pose. And this is our final pose, so let's hold it for 3 breaths. Let's go. Last breath. Back to the star. Excellent. Hey, thanks a lot. That was day 2. And this is something for you to remember the I3. Inspire, improve, increase. So if any of those things that you need some technical help on it, reach out to me. If you just want to work on it yourself, you feel like something is a little bit off, listen to your body. Take a little time and align yourself. But so we had the inspiration to do this. Now we're going to improve a little bit. And at the end, we'll take a look at our increase. Peace and love.